Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some MAC holiday goodies to share with you. So I didn't get a whole lot from this collection. I basically picked up the 5 full-size lipsticks that they had in the collection, and then I also picked up the Extra Dimension Skin Finish in the shade that I thought would go with my skin tone. So this is what I have to share with you, but I want to swatch these and try these on for you so that you can see what the colors look like on the lips. So we're gonna do that. First, let's open up this Extra Dimension Skin Finish. I like the packaging this year a lot, hence the nails that match, but I am still disappointed from last year that I didn't get that collection because the package was gorgeous. So this is some of the holiday packaging from last year. This was the one that the full-size lipsticks actually came in, and it's so gorgeous. I still regret not getting those lipsticks because when they went, they went. So this year I wanted to make sure I got them fairly early. This one's actually a face powder in Happy Go Dazzlingly. This is really, really gorgeous though, the snowflake pattern. I, as you can tell, have not really dipped into this a whole lot because, you know, it's just one of those like gorgeous things. I need to use it more truly. Just have so many highlighters. And then the Extra Dimension Skin Finish in Whisper of Guilt. So a color they already had, but just in a really beautiful like rose gold packaging. And then we have this year, which you're going to see my camera and all that, but it's just a beautiful sleek chrome. And yeah, I definitely did the nails to match because I thought that would be cute. And the shade that I got is called Oh Darling. Like I said, it's an Extra Dimension Skin Finish, and look at this gorgeous little present design. I absolutely love it. I have not swatched this at all. I wanted to leave it fresh for the video, but that's what it looks like. So gorgeous. And as it were, MAC 133 is actually my favorite brush to apply my highlighter with. It's just the perfect little size to get right in there where you want it. I put a little bit of highlight on earlier, but I kind of just took my beauty blender and went over that highlight to make it just a little softer. So you really can't see it too much. And then we're really going to go in with this shade. So I'm just going to lightly go around and try her on. I like that they did this and it's not just like one of those little flat imprints that goes away really quickly. Like I'm going all up in here and the present still looks really cute, so I don't mind going in as much. Ooh. What I love about the Extra Dimension Skin Finish is that it doesn't accentuate texture. It gives more of that like wet shine, and I just really like that. I don't want anything to make me look like I have more texture, so this does a beautiful job of just that wet, glistening glow. I'm gonna go ahead and go down the nose a little bit more. And I don't know about you guys, but now that Halloween is over, it's like, it's Christmas time to me. I know that Thanksgiving falls in there, and I love Thanksgiving, but it's Christmas season in my mind. And again, that is the shade Oh Darling. All right, now it's time for the lipsticks, and I have all 5 shades that are the full sizes. I'll let you guys know that the shade Both Cheeks I noticed sold out on MAC's website, and I believe Ulta does not carry this one. I picked all of mine up at Macy's. Just a heads up, they had really good cash back too. It was like 12%. I was like, score, so I'll get that cash back while I get this stuff. So I'll show you Both Cheeks first. If you want this one, I would track it down really quick because I don't think that this is going to be around very long. And this is a matte formula, so let's try her on. Look at that coverage. The next one is a frosted lipstick, and this is in the shade At Leisure. The next one is a Creme Sheen, and it is called Babe Town. This looks like a beautiful nude for me. I love the color and the finish of this one. It's so pretty. The next one is also a frost, and it is called Wink of Pink, and it looks like this gorgeous pink, goldish, tannish. I don't know what's going on here. Let's try it out. So it looks like it's a beautiful soft pink with a gold reflex. I hope that you can see it well enough on camera to see what it's doing because it's gorgeous. But it's like this gold shimmer throughout, but it's very fine. It doesn't feel chunky or too textured on the lips. It feels really nice. And yeah, I really like this color too. And I have one more. It is also a matte and it is called Straight Fire. You know they had to do a red, so let's go ahead and put this red on and see what it looks like. So there is Straight Fire, and I love that this is a matte, but it has just this little hint of shine. It's almost looking a little metallic matte, but it's so comfortable on the lips, unlike a liquid metallic where they tend to be very dry, and I haven't found many formulas that work. This is so beautiful. This looks like you've layered red satin on your lips. It's so gorgeous. It's a beautiful holiday red. I'd love to really line out the lips and get like a really crisp lip line with this. It would look so gorgeous. So there's Straight Fire. It's the last one. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me swatch some of these holiday lipsticks. Check out one of their new highlighters. I think that these lips are gorgeous, and I can honestly say that I love every shade. My favorites, okay, that's kind of hard because almost everyone was a favorite. So the only one that I really wasn't jumping up and down about was the At Leisure, which was still pretty. It's just like a little subtle frost. I would love to use this maybe over a liquid lipstick to give a little bit of a sheen to it. But every shade really was something that I liked, and I loved 4 out of 5 too. So I'm really happy with that. The highlighter is gorgeous. It is a little bit dark for my fair skin right now, but when I am self-tanned, you can believe I will be jumping and using this again, and it's so gorgeous. I love the aesthetic of it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Also leave me a thumbs up if you like this type of video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications. And if you're not subscribed, I am trying to hit 10,000 by my birthday, and I've got about a month and a half to do it, so please hit the subscribe if you're thinking about it and you're on the fence. Make sure to do it today. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.